Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and the 2024 Grand Highlander has great cargo space, even with the third row folded up. But the carpet that comes from the factory can be really difficult to clean, and if you have a spill, you could even have bad smells like mildew or even worse. So this cargo liner from HOUCLEMIC that includes the seat back protects not only when the third row is in use, but also when it's folded down for more room. The TPE material prevents liquids from spilling through or getting tears in the factory carpet, as well as making inevitable messes from typical use easier to clean up. This makes me much more likely to use the cargo area in this vehicle more often, since it won't be too hard to clean. The material and the texture can also help with items that easily slide around, and the grooves help prevent things from rolling from the left to the right. The mat is custom fit to the Grand Highlander, which ensures a good fit. And the one area that differs between the trim levels can easily be cut to fit following the predetermined separation. The flexible section between the seats means that whether they're up or they're down, there's few gaps for dirt or spills to get past. It has cutouts for the release straps, and it also has spots where you can use the child seat anchors if you need them. HOUCLEMIC even offers an optional sill protector that you can buy either separate or as a bundle, which protects the factory plastic trim. If you have a Grand Highlander and you don't want to feel limited in the use of your cargo area, then this cargo mat and seat back protector by HOUCLEMIC is a great essential for your cargo area. And that's my point of view.